teachers! Welcome back to our channel!
If this is your first time here, welcome on board! I'm teacher Nadzreen.
I am teacher Shasya.
And I'm teacher Fatin.
Basically, we are sharing ideas to help teachers in preparing materials for teaching English. On today's episode, we are going to make another teaching aid using traditional media, which are
Mahjong papers
and also pamphlet.
Alright, the content will be based on Unit 4 in Pulse 2 textbook.
Guys, I think we should start working on it now.
Yes, exactly.
Let's
Let's
go!
go!
The materials. The things that you're gonna need are Mahjong paper, mounting board, Manila card, A4 paper, multicolored marker pens, cloth tape, scissors, color pencils, and a watercolor set with brushes. So these are all the materials needed for today. We begin our teaching aid production by making the first speech, which consists of the topic superlative and comparative based on Unit 4 of the Pulse 2 textbook. Next, we wrote the introduction to our lesson, The Amazing Animals of Our World. There will be some sentences to engage the students' interest. We carefully wrote the text on the Mahjong paper, ensuring it was large enough and readable. To be safe, we drafted using pencil first, then rewrote using marker pen to avoid spelling errors. After finishing the text, we erased the pencil marks for a neat result. Once completed, we reviewed the text to ensure clarity and appeal. This teaching aid is now ready to engage students. To create a safari map, we used split A4 paper to draw animals. First, we placed the paper on the iPad, then we traced the picture carefully and continued drawing until it's complete.
Once the sketches were completed, we moved on to coloring them using vibrant colors to make the map visually appealing. We cut out the colored animals carefully, as we'll paste them onto the safari map later. We drew each habitat and added colors to bring them to life. Lush greenery for the jungle, deep blue for the ocean, and warm sandy tones for the desert. We enrich the project with educational content by writing key facts about each habitat, cutting them out neatly to paste them onto the Mahjong paper later. These facts were included to help students better understand the unique characteristic of each habitat. Next, we pasted the drawings and facts onto the Mahjong paper, arranging them thoughtfully to form a clear and engaging safari map. Each section of the map was designed to showcase the unique features of the jungle, ocean, and desert, ensuring the layout was cohesive and easy for students to follow and understand. Using the mounting board as the base, we reinforced the structure by securing it with cloth tape, binding everything together to create a giant book-like display. This provided sturdy support for the Mahjong paper, which is otherwise too fragile to handle on its own. This was the whole process of putting them together. Next, we carefully pasted the 6 Mahjong papers in the correct sequence. This was a meticulous process, as we needed to ensure each sheet was perfectly aligned and centered to avoid any tilting. This step was time-consuming, especially following the earlier task of binding the mounting board. Finally, this is the finished product of the Mahjong paper. The handwriting was clear and suitable in size, making it easy for students to read and follow. The combination of vibrant images and well-organized text ensured the project was both visually engaging and easy to understand.
We brainstormed ideas for our second traditional media project, which is a pamphlet. During the discussion, we focused on key considerations such as how to structure the pamphlet, divide it into clear sections, and ensure it was easy to navigate from one section to another. These pamphlets are designed to be both informative and visually appealing. The layout was carefully planned to ensure that each fold would reveal the content in a logical and engaging sequence. Then,
we sketch and draft the content to be included in the pamphlet, carefully designing each section to be informative without overwhelming the reader. The passages inside the pamphlet mirrored those in the Mahjong paper, providing a consistent reference for the activity. We included questions to encourage active participation. Finally, this is the finished product of the pamphlet. On the first page, we have the title, setting the theme for the lesson and capturing the student's attention right from the start. Page 2 introduces Activity 1, identifying 7 comparative and superlative adjectives. Page 3 features Activity 2, constructing 2 comparative and 2 superlative sentences. Page 4 contains Sang Kancil and the Crocodile with comprehension questions. Page 5 features the Hare and the Tortoise with analysis questions. Page 6 presents the Lion and the Mouse and includes a response space. That's a wrap for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed the process. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon!